All right, guys, here we go. It's Tuesday, May 19th, 2020, and we're about 3 minutes from the market's opening. So I wanted to give you a heads up what we're looking for here. We're going to look at trading Wayfair this morning. Right now in pre-market, it's looking to open around 156. So we'll have to see how strong the market is. In many of the stocks and on the other broad markets, they're down just a little bit. Nasdaq's up 11 points, but we're going to get in here and see what we can do this morning. Looks like we might have a little pop here, so we'll put you on pause, and then when the market's open, we'll come back and get things going. Okay, guys, we have about 10 seconds before the market's open, and then we'll see how Wayfair stock symbol W opens. We're looking at the 10-minute chart right now. This is the daily chart, of course, and then we will switch it to the 10-minute. Looks like we had a big sell-off. It looks like it's going to gap up, pop to the upside this morning, which it just did. Here we are right here. We'll have to see this price action. We're going to go to the 2-minute chart real quick and take a quick look here. Okay, now we're getting a little action to the upside. It's going to be interesting to see if we come up that high to the 200, if we can get through that, or if we have to, or it melts down. Generally, that's resistance level many times, and we're just kind of stagnant here. Tell you what, if we don't get some more, substantial movement, we might have to go to Apple or Microsoft this morning to get a little bit more of a price movement here. Got about 40 seconds. As you can see, here's first 2-minute candle of Apple, and I want to put this here as a, in case we have to switch over. Here, this is the kind of the first 2 minutes, 2-minute candle. We got about 20 seconds here. And we'll go back to Wayfair. Oh wow, it's blowing up pretty good. Okay, here we go. Okay, about 6 seconds. What we're doing, I'm just putting these lines here for your reference. I normally don't do this because it takes a little bit of time to make that work. If we take out the highs, we'll take a 1,000 share position, long position on margin on Wayfair to the upside, obviously. Still in the 2-minute candle chart. Each candle, of course, is 2 minutes of price action. We've started the new candle right here, and then let me do the 50% range on this. Okay, right about here. And if we take out the 50% range, 50% of this candle from the low to the high today, the first 2 minutes, then we'll look at taking a possible short position. But if we hold here, that'll be good. And then if we take out the top, then we'll get in. If we take out that 50% level, then we'll go for a short position here. The only thing I don't like is just real slow, not a lot of price movement. Let's look at Microsoft. Kind of doing this on the fly. See, I already missed it on Microsoft. See, there was your was your first 2-minute candle. In the second 2-minute candle, we blew up. That was like a $300 move in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so what we might do is leapfrog this, and then if it takes out the top on the next one, maybe we'll retest this high pivot. So we're getting ready to start the next candle. Here we go. We're coming down. If we test if we go through the 200 and then come back up, or the 20 here. This is the first. This was the first candle of the day right here. Kind of give you a perspective on the 2-minute chart. This is the first candle of the day, second candle, and of course this is our current candle that we're trading on. And I missed the follow through back up through the 20 simple moving average. So I was putting this blue arrow there, and we'll see if we get a pop up through the previous high of this candle and maybe test the high pivot here. Normally when you get the 20 and the 200 so close together, you'll get a, here we, okay, again, we're looking for a long position, 1,000 shares long. Okay, we're in. And then we're trying to get up to this high pivot area. And then we'll take it real quick out. Okay, we still got about 20 seconds left in this candle. And we'll see. I miss getting in really where I wanted to or needed to down here. Okay, we gapped up, which is positive. Let's see if we can turn in red now. That's never a good sign. Okay, let's see if how far we come back. Okay, we've had 3 up candles, so this is really not surprising, this red candle. As long as it doesn't close under our previous candle, we're still okay. And as you see, we came back, tested that little resistance area, and hopefully we can keep driving up to the upside. Still have another minute left. As you can see, it's moving really fast compared to this Wayfair. Of course, that a big, but it's not moving, like we wanted. I did come back through that 50% level, and we would have taken a short there, but of course we were over here trying to get a little bit faster trade action on Microsoft. And we still have about 40 seconds left in this candle. Yeah, we might be trying to take off now. I need to hit this high pivot is what I'm looking for. And here, well, all they have to do is hit one little key, and we're out. It's a market sell. And we're out right in here. Okay. And then we have about 10 seconds left, so we'll see how this ends up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We might think there's going to be a red candle next. Nope, it gapped up. Whenever it gaps out, it's generally a good sign. Looks like the markets are really going to be running. I made the wrong decision. Should have kept in, but we hit this high pivot here, and a lot of times, especially after running up this many green candles, you'll get a red candle fold over. Well, yeah, like that. So that's what I was expecting. But anyway, thanks so much for being members. Thanks so much for playing along, and we will see you on the charts.